Hey guys, so welcome back to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon Boat 30. This is Tuesday and we will be looking into Bitcoin and gold analysis, right? If we get a good opportunity, let's try to swim into that opportunity. All right, what I mean is let's take that opportunity together and let's try to grind some bucks together. All right, before that, okay, let me send the link to the group, okay, so that everyone who are in my group gets my link and can come to the live sessions, right? So yep, people must be waiting for me, right? So if you guys are not in the group, I have a link in the description box. You can just check over there and just get in, right, guys? Yep. So far so cool. Hope everyone's doing good, huh? Tuesday, so Monday was a good day. Okay, so that was green for the gold as well as for the BTC, right? So this is Tuesday. Hope let's try to let's give our best to close the Tuesday in a good mood, right, with some profits, right? What I mean is, right? So yep, so far so cool, guys. Hope everyone is doing good, huh, guys? So first, let's try to check on uh 4 hours time frame. Okay, 4 hours time frame. Let's try to check on 4 hours time frame. What's going on with the 4 hours time frame, right, guys? Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome those who are watching me for the first time. Don't forget to hit a subscribe button so that you can catch me from Monday to Friday sessions. All right, on Saturday and Sunday you will have a beautiful session that is going to be a very massive learning program on Bitcoin and gold, maybe like on trading, right? So yep, Rajan, hi, I can see you, right? Welcome, brother. Welcome, everyone. Okay, hope everyone is doing good. All right. Yep. So let's see on the BT on 4 hours time frame. Yep. So what do we see on 4 hours time frame? Okay. So what we saw is like Bitcoin is facing this major resistance soon, I guess, right? So maybe the Bitcoin coming towards the zone on 4 hours time frame. Yep. So if we check on the smaller time frame, I mean like a small the previous resistance, the resistance was cleared already, right? And there was a retest on this resistance as well. So people brought over this level and went all the way up, right? So this is what we can see, right, on Bitcoin on 4 hours time frame. All right, guys, so we'll check on gold as well, okay, if you guys need it. All right, so yep, so right now what we can see is Bitcoin is facing the major resistance in this level on 4 hours time frame. We can see the beautiful W pattern formation in this level as well, right? So yep, guys, what you see over here. All right, so let me clear this off since this is not important for us, right? So yep, what we saw is like there was a breakout from this level, right, on Bitcoin, and retested this level, and the price is trying to move up. If it is a real breakout, then you might see the price flying in the upper zone, right? So which levels? That's a question for you all. Yep, I do, Sir Cats. I will do it. Just a second. All right, let me finish for the BT, then we will go back to the gold and check it off, right? So nothing much to worry, okay, guys. So let's check target on BT, right? So yep, facing major resistance in this level, right? BT, right at the resistance. If it passed through, then it will face resistance in this level and might see the price in this levels, right, on BD, right? Oh, this is on gold. Sorry. I mean in gold, right? I mean in gold. Sorry. What I mean is on gold. All right. So might be facing on the upper levels, right? If it gets a breakthrough this level, we'll try to buy a little bit upper side with a small target on upper side, right? If it faces upper zone, right? So we'll come back to the 1 hour's time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and check into details what's going to happen on gold, right? Yep, just a second. All right, just a second. Okay, so what we see in this level is if it happens to break above this one, just buy a little bit upper side and go all the way towards this zone, right, on the gold, right? So yep, okay, if it breaks a little bit upper side. Okay, hey guys, hello Leno, let's make some money in the gold, brother. All right. Okay, ये क्या डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज बना बना कर रहा है भाई? Hey Trade Doom, welcome bro, welcome. कुछ नहीं है, ये सब कुछ नहीं देखना है उसमें, ठीक है. So yep, so maybe firstly BD is going to fast. Oh, this is on 15 minutes. Okay, guys, this is on 15 minutes. All right, we can see the price rising all the way on these levels, right? And okay, so let it break a little bit upper side, right? Chori chori, chupke chupke, chori chori. This is on 15 minutes. This is what you see, right, guys? This is what you see. Gold, people says that I never do for the gold, so I'm doing for the gold as well. All right, that was a good breakout. Okay, so just wait for the structure to be formed in the gold. Okay, just don't react for now. All right, so just wait. All right. Hey hey guys, hey hey, Gurudeva, कहाँ से हो भाई? Bhutan से brother. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right guys. Yep, so far so cool. So yep, but if you get an option to sell in this level comes below, we will short it as well. All right, right now there is no proper structure in the 5 minutes. Okay, just wait for a gold to react a little bit. All right, so maybe the gold can come this way as well, right? If we check on 15 minutes time frame, go come all the way in structures, right? So let's check it out. Anyways, we'll check on 1 minute for now. Okay, so let's see what it forms. Yep. Hi, hi, guys. Welcome to the Tuesday session. Let's make some dollars together. All right, make some dollars. Yep. So far, so cool. So let me clear this off. All right, and let me clear this off as well on the spiders. Kya bana rahe ho? All right, I'm checking on the levels. All right, levels. So we can see gold if it falls down and this level. Okay, on the retest phase. Okay, one thing we can see the gold in this level, or if it continuously push up, maybe the gold can face these levels. All right, if it continuously push up, right? So these are the two levels that we need to check on gold for now, right? And make sure that you are not falling below this one, right? If you fall below, then that will be a bearish for everyone, right? Okay, so let it react in those levels, right? So reaction will be something like this. The structure formation that we are waiting for is like let it form again, get rejection once more, and if it breaks down, then we'll wait for the something like this. All right, structure to be formed, and we shot all the way below these levels and come down. Right. So let's accordingly. All right. So let's go back and check on a BTC as well. Those people who are interested in BTC, hi, bro. Jordan English, hi. I entered 4,500. Close my TB. All right, good. Wow, morning, guys. Leno, hi fellow traders. Let's like, share, and subscribe Dragon's channel. Let's thank you so much, Leno. Thank you so much. That means so much for me. All right, because I need a big support from you all, and I'm going to give you all a big knowledge that you require. All right. So yep, let's grow this channel as he does amazing analysis for us. Help us learn how to become profitable. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Runs for ants? How long have you been trading? It's my 5 to 6 years journey, guys. So Mohammed, hi, brother. Hi, hello. How you are doing? So let's check on BTC also, right? Meanwhile, let the gold form some structures, right? And we'll check on BTC as well. All right, BTC, what's happening? Big drop on BTC, right? Big rise on gold and big drop on BTC. What's happening, guys? That's exactly how it works on BT and gold. That on a good volatility market, they just runs opposite way. All right, yep. So let's try to analyze on 4 hours time frame as well. Khan, hi, we spot to you. All right, don't worry, dude. Thank you so much. Captain Barbosa, what do you think on 70K today? Let's see, let's see. We are doing it. So this is a trend that we have on 4 hours time frame on BT, right? BT. So for the BT to cross above, we will go depth and depth and depth. All right, so already checked in this level. If the BT happens to cross this level above the average, this average, we are going to rise all the way up. Okay, for now what we can expect on 4 hours time frame is on BT. So something like this, go back, okay, and if it wants to come down, it needs to get rejection from a certain level that will check into depth and come down all the way. But if it happens to create a beautiful wink like this and get passed through this level, that is formation of W pattern in this level, right guys? On 4 hours time frame, we are analyzing on 4 hours time frame. I'm explaining you all for those who are holding for the long terms, okay? Then we'll go jump into the scalping session as well. Nothing much to worry, okay guys? So this is trying to form some W patterns in this levels, double bottom patterns in this levels, right? So if it happens to go back, all right, 1 2 3, so most probably Bitcoin is going to this level and testing this level once more and get back to this level once more, 66,000. And if it happens to go up and pass through this level, then we are going to long it all the way up. But we will look into the opportunity to long in this in this level also, okay, for 4 hours. So those who are long holding for the long term, this level becomes so important. If Bitcoin happens to pass through this one, I think this resistance becomes so easy for the Bitcoin to pass through, right? Around $69,000, right? So most probably Bitcoin will follow this structures in this level and go towards $69,500, right? So if it gets a rejection from here, and it will form a beautiful thing. But if the Bitcoin happens to get rejection once more from this level, Bitcoin can come down all the way to take the liquidations from the downside and go up. Okay, we'll watch on this level. So what we expect on the Bitcoin is to go back a little bit towards the $67,924 today. All right. So and from that levels come down towards the 66,000. That is the view on 4 hours time frame, guys. All right, and let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame and check it out for the scalping session for our people. So Rans and Ans, do you have any tips for the new traders? New tips is like where, why, and when. You think you need to check on these three things, right? When to buy, where to buy, and why should I buy, or why should I sell, where to sell, and when to sell. That is a very important thing. So I help you all to go for that one, guys. If you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, so that you guys don't miss my live session from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday there's a big sessions for you all to learn from me a lot. All right, so if you have any questions, you can ask me like that. All right, so Khan, inshallah, your subscriber 500K, don't worry, we will share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan, we are going on that journey. Come on, soon. All right, luckily, hey, luckily you're there. It just got hung on those levels. Everything is okay on 5 minutes and 15 minutes. Okay, so yep, let's check on gold also meanwhile, so you guys get a something breakdown from this level. Wait for the price to play in this journey, okay, in this way. Now the long becomes a little bit difficult for the gold. Rather, what you do is you wait for the price, okay. We wait for the price to play in the zone. All right, from this my structure, then I will give you all the short setup as well. All right, your first target is going to be in this levels, right, and towards this level. All right, let me delete this one for you all right, so just wait, don't react in this positions, this location. Just wait for the price to form one beautiful structure for you all, then I'll let you know when to enter. So if the price happen to break like this, okay, go up and break down from this below. We short it all the way towards just below, a little bit below, right? So you'll get opportunity, okay? Don't rush, okay, guys, don't rush. And our setup will be like this. All right, so something like this, okay? So we'll go all the way, let it form the structure, beautiful structure in this level. So what happened to BD? Just BD 1 hour's time frame. Okay, let's go back to 15 minutes time frame. We checked on 4 hours time frame, guys, right? So for now we will wait for the structure to be formed this way. All right, so that's on 15 minutes. Yep, let's go to 15. Expecting the price to move a little bit upper side to retest this level once more. If it passed through, well and good. If it gets rejection, you come all the way down to $66,000. and push again to retie this, tie this. So something like this structure we will see it on BT, right? Meanwhile we will be entering from the low, lower itself will go all along a pop, right? If we get a good opportunity, right? If we get a good setup on long side, all right? So these are the levels that you need to check, okay? But if the Bitcoin happens to go all the way down, okay, and like there is no structure formation for the long side, then we will come down again, right? So most probably what I think is go up and get rejection from this level and come down. So the beginner tips is like, one, people have asked me what is the beginner tips for you, what beginners tip I have for you all, okay? So beginner tip is like, never become a rigid on one-sided, okay? Short means short, short, short. No. So whichever direction the market provides you the opportunity, just take that one and you'll get a beautiful profits. All right. So that is going to be my quote of the day for you all, advice of the day, right? So people never like the advice for free, but in fact take it if you like it. All right, so never become rigid. Whichever direction the market wants to provide you the opportunity, just take it that way. All right, that is on 15 minutes. All right, so 15 minutes, if we try to draw one trend with this age, right, with this age, most probably you will see the price. So 15 minutes we are going into depth, okay guys, for the scalping session. That is for the long term, right? So scalping session, you can target this one thing, okay, if you get a structure towards downside. And long side, for now we will target this levels, right? So this will be for the scalping sessions, right? So let me delete the bigger time frame trends, okay? We are going into, we have two things, one over here and one over here. We are going to this directions. All right, so whichever side it breaks, we'll just provide go follow that one and go accordingly, right? So that is going to be our structures, okay? That is our targets, I mean. All right, so this is one target and one target over here if we get on shorter side, okay? This is on 5 minutes, okay guys? All right. Meanwhile, both the gold and BT, we are trying to provide you all the opportunities, right? So nothing much to worry. All right, so on this levels, what you say guys, what you see, what you can see over here, what you see is, what I see is there is W pattern formation. All right, and there was a wing retest, so we missed this levels to one levels, right? We missed this level. All right, now we have the another pattern levels over here, okay? So let's get back to the 1 minute time frame and check it out. All right, so what's that? Okay, okay, so don't react, okay? Don't react, have patience, just wait for the market to give you a beautiful structures. All right, go back once more, retest it, and if it, I think the price will try to play in the zone, and if it breaks through upper side, we are going to long it. If it gets downside, we are going to short it. So short zones, short zone will be having something like this. All right, for now on this level we can see that the price have come below, right, broken out towards the downside, which means short, right? But can you short in this level? No, right? No, you need to have proper retest, right? For this one you need to have proper retest from this level. All right, so most probably I see there is a retest level which is pushing the price towards the upper side as well. All right, so just wait for the market to form one beautiful structure and we react accordingly. All right, don't rush for the position, you will get a beautiful position, okay? If it pass through, well and good. If it comes all the way down from this average line, we will be shorting it towards the this zone. All right, so yep, okay. And for the long position, where we will place our long position after passing this levels. All right, after passing this levels, a little bit upper side, yep, we will place a long position and trace this targets on the upper side, right? So if it gets rejection, we'll plan short, okay, from this level. I'll let you know. For now, where the short zone is like over here, so it's very small, I cannot short it, right? So let it form the structure, beautiful structure, maybe from the top, right? And after the structure we will place accordingly. All right, So if it goes upper side, if it happens to break upper side, we'll go long and trace these levels, right? And yep, and if it happens to come all the way down, get rejection again and again, and pass below this average line, we will short it and come all the way down towards this zone. All right, so that's so simple for you all. Hope you guys are understanding the levels. All right, Amanat, hi, welcome. Hi, hope everyone's doing good, huh, guys? Everyone's doing good. So far, so good. Yep. So let's check on gold as well. Yep, exactly. It is trying to form some structures, not yet to short it. All right, let it form beautiful structure for you all. All right, so that you react accordingly. Okay, so maybe the structure that you are having is going to be something like this now. All right, so we'll see it. Okay, I'll let you know when to short it. All right, not yet to short on long as well as on bottom. Right, so let it form structure, then I'll let you know what to do. Right, so let it form. So it's trying to form a little bit bigger structure than what I have expected, but never mind. All right, so let it form a structure, then accordingly we will plan it. So maybe something like this, right? Give a small move on upper side and come down, right? So we will wait for that positions. All right, that structure to be formed. Okay, so not to short yet. Okay guys, not to short yet, don't get squeezed. All right, so long, I cannot see long because you are still in this level. This is the resistance that you have. All right, so passing through and breaking above the horizontal, you will be checking into the quick scalping session on the upper side on the gold. All right, hi, show me the PNL, brother. Thank you so much, Gaurav. If you're not interested, don't entertain. If you wanted to check my PNL, just text me on my Telegram or join the Telegram. There is a description box. All right. If you're not interested to learn, you are not. This place is not for you. All right. If you want to challenge, all right, that's not for you. All right. If you want to learn sincerely as a trader, come on. All right. If you want to take challenge, come on, show me a PNL. I'll show you a PNL. What I mean, I'm not never aggressive for these things. Okay, guys, sincerely. All right, I'm just trying to help you all out. All right, so I'm not taking challenge. All right, with you all. I never like that thing. All right, Gaurav, this is for you. Gaurav, where are you from, bro? Luckily, bro, that's rude. Yep. I never mind. I never mind if people wants to challenge me. All right, but I'm not that kind of show off people. I never show off my wealth, all those things on my social media like YouTube and these things. So just I wanted to show you all the right paths. That's not the right path. Those who don't have anything, they will just show. Those who have anything, everything, they won't show whatever they have. All right, you understand me, Gaurav Kumar? You understand me? All right, good to know that from India. You're my neighbor, in fact. All right. Okay, so just focus what you want to see, right? Just focus, peoples. Anyways, okay, so just focus on the formation of the structure and these levels, right? If it continuously pushes up, okay, maybe it will give you a quick liquidation till this level and come back, right? So let it form as structures in this level, right? Yep. So if it happens to come below, we'll short it. Okay, so just let it form a structure on the gold as well. All right, BT is like we need to form one beautiful structure, get rejection, form exactly like what I meant, then we will plan accordingly. Okay, on the shorter side as well as the longer side, we will look forward for whichever direction it breaks. We'll look forward. All right, so that is going to be the lesson for the beginners. All right, those who are interested to learn, so don't get rigid with the long or the short side. Just be open in the market. Just keep your mind free. All right, so that you can get what you want. Right. So that is the first step for you all. All right. And second step is to where, why, and when should you buy. So that thing, and till where should you buy and till where should you sell. Where should be a TP? That's going to be your thing. All right. Sir, buy or sell for now? BTC, Ratan, hello, hi, welcome, guys. For now, we are letting the market to form the structure, then we'll react accordingly. All right, Ratan, all right, we will react accordingly. Just wait for the market to form the beautiful structures, right? And I'll let you know. All right. be hold over there. All right, if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right guys, if you don't want to miss my video live session, live setup from Monday to Friday, I have been doing for more than a month in this live streaming session. All right, people have been enjoying it. Hope people are liking it. All right, so if it's helpful for people, I can do anything. All right, but not a challenge. All right, not a challenge. For I never challenge traders. All right, this trader is not a gambling things to challenge. All right, this our own part. Okay, some people take less profit, some people takes more profit. It's just about the setup. It's not about the PL amount. Right, whatever amount, if people have around 1 lakh account, one zero 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 in their account, with this setup they can make more than me also. I never challenge. All right, whatever I have, I trade it, I make some few dollars, I'm happy with whatever I have. All right, it's about the setup. It's not about, never about the PNL. People who goes for the PNL, they will go down soon. Those who always thinks about the PNL. All right, yep guys, so far so cool. Get a rejection. If it happens to break up, you take the long side, right, little bit upper side, yep, above this level, and take this scalping session on the gold. Okay, but if it happens to get rejection from this level and come down all the way, we short it in this level. All right, so this is on gold. All right guys, so BTC, it's not reacting much, so let it form. All right, this is on 1 minute time frame, it's not moving much. Let it form the structure, then we react accordingly. All right guys, so if it happens to get rejection from this level, you short it when the price crosses below this one. All right, so that's going to be plan for the gold. All right, so just buy above these levels and take the scalping on upper side. Okay, a little bit upper side. Okay, just buy so that you don't get shrink candle and swap the candles. Right, so you have some liquidation zone in the zone. Right, retest when the price goes for the retest. All right, so most probably what the price is going to do is, so something like this. If it happens to move up, okay, come down, retest this level and go up, something like this, and we short, our short zone becomes upper and upper side. Okay, we can short it from the top. All right, so that's going to be our plan on gold. All right, just don't react when it goes to our zone. You just react and you are going to get big profits. Zibat, hi Lino, 100%, well said. Thank you so much brothers, those who are over here supporting me. I think I hope I'll be able to help every one of you over here to become a smart traders. All right, hope that's going to help you all out. All right, okay. So yep, so far so cool guys. Don't react on a messy market. All right, so just wait for the setup. After the setup is done, all right, whichever the market wants to flow, just let it flow. All right, so that's going to be a plan. All right, for today. Okay, let's make some dollars together, guys. Yep. Hi, Amanta. Hi, where are you from? Welcome, brother, welcome. Okay, don't react yet. Let it pass through. This is on BT and this is on gold, okay? Both direction we are trying to give it. All right. So a little bit of touch up, okay? Let it pass through, okay, guys? Don't don't react, just let the candle pass through these levels. Okay, since this is forming shrink candles for now, let it go a little bit upper side. Okay, let the candle become solid so you can get profits. Okay. But if the price happens to come down directly over below this one, just short it and go till this level. All right, so that's going to plan. We placed over here, but there is a liquidation swap. Okay, so nothing much to worry. Hope you have not taken from the top. All right, just wait for one more thing to happen. Okay. If the price happens to come down directly, you will see this level will be gap. Okay, so let's short it for the BT. All right, let's short it for the BT. Okay, and go all the way down. One more candle, let it form solid. One more drop, little bit upper drops, little bit downside. Yes, let's go. That's solid candle on gold. All right, gold. Okay, so far so good on gold. Okay, BT, just wait on, guys, just wait, don't react on BT. Okay, gold, you can react now. All right, you can react. So keep your stop loss in the zone and you can react. All right, on BT. So maybe on the gold, right, on the gold, there is one gap. Anytime price will come up to fill up this one. So you keep your go with a small fund as possible. All right, there's one gap formation. Okay, usually the price have to go up to this level and check it out once, right? So it reacted from this level only. Okay, so there is one gap. Never mind, you can go for the short. All right, so if it wants to bash you, I'm sorry for the gold, right? Because we had got the right position at the right time. Okay, the rest up to the market. Okay, if it doesn't want to give you all right. So BT, don't react on short or long right now. Okay, let it play around a bit. Okay, and we will react accordingly when it passes through. Okay, shorter zone, it should go up once more and get this rejection and come all the way down, then I can short it below this levels. All right, otherwise I cannot short it. All right, BT gold, hold it. Okay, hold it tight with your stop losses. Right, I think it's going to work. Okay, don't have that fear, just hold. Okay, BT, don't react on short. Okay, for now let it form the structures. After the structure formation you can react, I won't mind it. So maybe it will play like this, BT as well. Hi, I like your videos, but it will be better if you can stream from laptop or computer instead of a phone. All right, you mean the view? It is from the laptop only, but because of because since I am going for the portrait, so you are having that issue, I guess. I'll try my best. All right, I will try my best. Some people says that they can never find me when I do go on the landscape view. All right, so so I did on this portrait view. All right, don't react on the BTA right for now. Okay, gold, you can go for it. All right, so we need to go back to check once more on this level. Maybe it will try to form some retest type of thing. All right, let's see. Anyways, there is a broke down from this level towards the downside. Okay, so let's see. If it happens to get rejection from this level, we'll plan for the short also. Okay, whichever direction it flows, we just plan it. All right, accordingly. Okay, nothing much to worry. All right, we take in all right, so let the structure to be formed and we plan it accordingly. All right, guys, what, no problem, man. We tried that before. This is better. All right. All right, anyways, guys. Okay, so different people, different views, no problem. All right, I'll try my best, Captain. Sometimes I'll try to uh view do on the landscape view. All right, okay. I'm waiting for the 15 minutes candle to close before I shop. All right, all right. Gold, let's see. You got a beautiful structure in this level. Okay, that was a beautiful shot. Okay, but only one worry is like you have one gap in the upper zone. All right, maybe the price will firstly come down to this zone and go up to fill up that one. Beautiful on gold. Okay, guys, those who have taken on the gold, good, all the best. Right, money on BT, I cannot do anything for now. Okay, I'll just let it flow a bit. Okay, because like I need a structure to be formed before I react. All right. Gold is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Respected. Our setup was respected, guys. Beautiful. So long becomes invalid for now. Later on, we'll try to plan it. All right. Long becomes invalid since it haven't went up all the way. Okay. So Beautiful on gold, guys. Those who have taken gold, good luck. All right. And BT don't react yet, okay? Because I need some structures to be formed before I react on BT. All right. Then accordingly I will react it. Okay. Nothing much to worry. Okay. So maybe BT is coming to form a beautiful big structure that you have. Okay. The big structure, what I mean by the big structure is like this. All right. So the W pattern over here, okay, big W, something like this directly went up, right? So it should have went up till this level and come back from the wing and go all the way up, right? So maybe because of that one, the BT wants to come down a little bit, all right? But never mind, let it form the structure, then we react accordingly on the BT, right? Okay, so far so good, guys. So good one on gold, all right? And BT need to wait a little bit more, okay? We will react accordingly. मेरा मन. Hello, Dragon, your boss man. Thank you. Luckily, beautiful, beautiful. You took in a gold. Nice. You book some profit, move your SL to entry, and let it flow without tension. All right. So that's beautiful, right? Beautiful and gold. Gold is going beautiful. Exactly from our point, right? So I told you all nothing much to worry. All right. From this level, just hold with your SL on this level. All right. Was you got a good retest in this level, okay? The structure was formed, but in fact one gap is left that later on will come up to fill up that one on gold. All right, so on BT actually this was on like if we take this way, it was proper setup from here to short it, but I don't want to take risks on this one BT right now. Okay, so let it form beautiful structure. All right, then I will let you know when to enter it. All right, nothing much to worry. Okay, you'll get it set up. Okay, guys, so far so cool, guys. Okay, good. I'm a shot. Let's go. All right, Jonathan. All right, BT don't do anything for now. Okay, so you can react on gold but not on BT, right? Book some profit, move your SL to entry, those who have shorts on the gold, and let it flow. You'll get lots of ample of opportunities on BT and gold, right? Nothing much to worry. All right, you don't have to worry all the time. 1 2 3, so most probably this level is going to be tested. All right, then if you get an opportunity, I'll let you know, because from this level the BT is a little bit sideways as well. You see, I told you all, right, not to short on BT. This can happen anytime. There is a gap, structural gap that needs to be filled. All right, guys, let's see anyways how it will react. Okay. You can get the liquidation on the upper zone, so at that time you can plan it along. This is a zone whereby the BT will be pushed towards the bullish side, okay? So but if the market has to happen to play like this, you see price rising above this one, just long it, okay guys, because there is a resistance and we have kept our zone and upper zone. All right, if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right guys, so you guys don't miss my live session from Monday to Friday. All right, okay, Monday to Friday sessions. All right, i shall I shall be ready. Yep, I shall be ready. Okay, I shall be ready to react when the market pushes upper side. Okay. Right now we need to clear this off, and 1 2 3 4, this time most probably The beautiful candle should be on upper side on a BT, right, before it. But if it happens to get rejection, plays around this zone, price might to go till this level and drop all the way towards this zone. Anyways, let's see. According to the structure, whichever direction it flows, we'll try to go along with that one. All right, now the gold is coming up. Hope you have booked some profit in this level and moved your SL to entry. You'll get another setup, okay, guys, don't worry, okay, because there is still one gap in upper zone. So this is nothing, okay, this is nothing. 1 2 3, most probably gold will again drop below this one, okay. If it happens to pass through this one, then we might like to look forward at these levels. All right, so there is a level whereby gold can get rejected still. All right, as long as the gold is below this level, it is still bearish. If it happens to pass above this one, you might like to go for the long. Otherwise, gold will be still bearish in these levels, right? You understand me, guys? Clearly, okay? So I ask you all to keep your stop loss on the entry levels, right? Okay, you check this levels block, okay? Nothing much to worry, okay? You just check if it tries to form some structure in this level, I'll let you know to I'll let you all to short it or long it, okay, accordingly. Okay, above this level we will long it for sure. Okay. Let it form structure like this, come down, get rejection or go up, get rejection again, play in this around and drop, will be a beautiful one. All right, or till this level, go all in. All right, so nothing much to worry. Okay, let it get rejection once more. Then if it tries to form one wink in this level, one structure for us, okay, a support level structure, we'll place that one and we trace that one and go according towards the directions. All right, so yep. Still you have opportunity on the shots on gold. All right. Make sure you are not passing above this block. Again, it will try to go up otherwise. Okay, on gold, those who are holding a short, this block is so important for you all right, to mark your short and the long zone. Okay, anyways. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you don't miss my live session from Monday to Friday. All right, let it form a structures again. Okay, so nothing much to worry, just hold it, just check it out. All right, so whenever you go for this setup, also go with the font that doesn't give you a fear, so that you can hold a bit. All right, if you are holding, you're going with a big font and getting bashed is not good at all. Good one. All right, so I'm letting you all to give that confident. I'm putting all the confidence on you, so that's you whether you are getting that confident or not on the setups. So whenever I get inside setup, after I get inside either SL or entry, that's going to be very quick and just have no pinch. All right, that's going to work for you all. All right. So next time if the BT happens, the gold happens to pass above this one, we will look forward for the long positions. All right, so I'm letting you all to mark these levels, right, this block. If it happened to pass above this one, we might like to look for the long positions, right, above these levels, right, and fill up this gap that is created in the upper zone. Okay, but as long as you are below this block, you will be still bearish and we need to go down all the way. So Bitcoin the gold can play around a bit and move all the way down. Okay, that's just a fear for the shots. All right, so nothing much to worry. You understand me, guys? Clear out, right? Okay, so far so good. Anyways, Let's see. Hmm. So many things just to make you understand. All right, just to make you understand over here. All right, I've drawn so many things. People understand. If they understand, I'm happy for that one. All right. So BT passing above this level will be a bullish, but we'll plan a little bit upper side so that you won't get squeezed it. All right, squeeze it, right? Or if I have to go for the short, let it form one structure in this level like this, come down a little bit, go up, get rejection, come down all the way. Okay, then I can short it below this level and come all the way down. Okay, so first target will be this one. So those who wanted to short on BT, don't worry. Okay, you'll get an ample of thing. If it wants to move directly down, just leave it. All right, if it gives a structure, I'll give. Okay, so let me clear this off. Right, so it makes no use for us right now. Okay, let it move up. All right, ना जाने क्यों झुक गया कैसे. Okay, guys, so far so good. All right, those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay, so that you won't miss me. You don't have to text me all the time. Hey guys, hey bro, when are you coming to the live stream? So that thing will not happen. Okay, you don't have to have that thing, right? If you are in the group, then well and good, right? You get the link in the group and you can directly come. If you need a link for the group, I have in the description box. Just go for that one. All right. So everything is provided to you, whether to make money or not. It's up to you. All right. So it's up to you whether to make money or not. Again, break out towards the downside. Again, trying to play around in the zone. Make sure you are not passing above these levels. Then it's going to convert this this move, downside move, into the positive one towards the upper side, right? Strategy, Anil Kumar. This is my trend analysis with a breakout strategy. Okay, and so many people says that this is the spider wave. Yep, me la me. Okay, people says that my strategy is a spider wave strategy. If you see price directly moving up above this level, you can go for the long. Okay, I don't mind. We will have our placement, our stop loss placement in downside. Okay, so now if the price happens to come below this one, we'll plan for the short. All right, with some structures on the upper levels, this will be level whereby you will be shorting. All right, if it happens to directly move up, you can go for the long with your stop loss just around the zone, maybe a little bit below. So right, so you will have a big target on upper zone. Right, we will move forward on upper zone. Okay, so that's going to be our plan for today. So far so good. All right, Rohan, hi. Rohan, you from, brother? I'm from Bhutan, brother. I'm from Bhutan, the Bitcoin mining country for you all. All right. In fact, we sold lots of Bitcoin on last before our last beer run. Yep. Yep. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm getting ready. One more move, and boom. Come on, BD. One more move, because we are trying to buy a little bit upper side since so that we won't get bashed off. Okay, guys, we won't get bashed off with the move. All right, let's go. Let's go. After this, all depends on market and the god. All right, what it wants to do it. Little bit upper side maybe. Wow, nice swipe. Nice swipe. So try to plan your stop loss in the zone maybe around 66,622. 66,622. In fact, the market have broken down. We know that. Okay, we are looking for the shorter side as well. All right, but what we want to do is we want to go for the liquidation that the market wants to give it to the shorter zones, right? Okay, so nothing much to worry, just hold it. All right. Maybe it will give one wink on the downside, okay, and again try to push it over there. If it gets rejection, you will get a place to get out of this trade. Okay, so nothing much to worry. Okay guys, so far so cool. Let it break through. Let it break through. That was a quick one on a breakthrough point and came down all the way. Yep, nothing much to worry, just hold it. All right, nothing much to worry. If we get stop loss hit it, then we will plan accordingly what we have to do it. Okay. We are a little bit early right today. Actually, this was planning to form this structure over here. We got a little bit early. Anyways, let's see. Okay, give a small liquidation on the upper zone. All right. I'm giving you all the setup that I'm taking in. All right. So if I get lost, you will also get lost, right? So that's the thing. So people might ask me why I'm taking this one. All right. So that's the reason, right? You can see there is a inverted head and shoulder pattern formation also, and this was the level that Bitcoin was having. All right. So it gave a small breakout on upper zone on the horizontal resistance. This was the horizontal resistance that Bitcoin was having, right? And what it did is give a small quick trap on upper side. For now it came down to form a wing. Okay, maybe it will try once more. Okay, if it gets rejection, then well and good. If it gets passed through, then you will be in the bull side only. All right, that's the thing. Gold is also trying its best to pass through an upper zone, but yet still in the bearish side. All right, as long as you are below this block, you are still on the bearish side for the gold. All right, so if it happens to pass above that one, then might look forward to go for the long, but with the structure, some structures, right? As long as we are below, we are good. Okay, so just it is trying to play around in the zone, just lots of candles that's confusing you all right. In fact, those who have moved your SL to the entry, you are out of this trade, right? Those who have short it, but in fact you got one profit in this levels, right? So nothing much to worry. Okay. So even if your stop loss get heated with the shots, I'll plan you. I'll make sure that you get your profit back. Okay. So nothing much to worry. All right. So let it flow now. Now, if the BT happens to get a rejection, then it will come down. Otherwise, if it passed through all of these levels, then it's good for the all long. All right. Those who have not entered long from this level, you see passing level, the price passing above this one, you can long it and go all the way up. All right. Just got a call. Okay, guys, like I think I'm going to have some fluctuation in the my power line. I just got a call. All right, so if I got disconnected, don't worry. Take it with your stop loss or TP. Okay, manage your risks well. All right. So on the gold as well as on BT. Okay, I'm going to call someone else. So just hold it with your take my knowledge and react accordingly. All right. If the price happens to hey guys, can you hear me? You can hear me, right? Because like I was having some power disruptions, right? Damn, bro. I'm getting all inside the dark, bro. For the gold, those who have taken the shots, I think you might got your SL at entry, okay? For now. All right, just wait. Okay. I'm inside the dark right now. Again, I got the power disruptions, lots of power disruptions going around. Lots of power fluctuations. You see. All right, well and well, good for the BT. Okay, now if it happens to come below this one, you will plan it for the short, or if it is above, still above this level, you're still good for the long. All right, so let's see anyways. Okay, so don't mind it. I'm having some power disruption level my zone for now. All right. The gap that you have is filled right now on gold. Just second on gold. Hi, Rajiv, hello, hello. Luckily, can you hear me? My things are not disrupted right yet, because like I'm having some disruption on the power, and I got a call. Right, what to do? So many things to be done. So frequent. They are testing some power things on my zones. So right. So this level, this one is your SL at entry is heated. Okay, so now let it get out. All right, so let's see for the next move. All right, in the zone. All right, what we see. Actually, I'm planning for a long above this level. Again, we have another gap in this level to be filled. So meanwhile, maybe if it happens to pass above this level, just buy it long. Right, if it gets rejection, hold below. All right, try to get scalping for this one on the upper side. Where is it? Yep, there is still one gap on the upper side. May Bitcoin, the gold might like to fill it up. All right, but on the downside structure, what you can see is maybe come once more. Okay, go up, right, and fill up. And if it gets rejection, we'll plan short it again all the way down. I'm getting disturbed with the power here and there right now. Lots of disruptions. You pass through this level. Bro, I'm still holding in BTC. All right, all right. You can hear me. That means please inform when to exit. All right, Ranjan. Okay, okay. So as long as first level is this one and this one, right? So these two levels are this. From this level we will plan for the short, right, with some confirmation from upper side. You will get lots of chance to get out of this if there is a downside move. Okay, so something like that it will come. All right, if it wants to come down. All right, it shouldn't be coming directly downside. All right, so let's see. Anyways, I'm getting lots of disturbance anytime my connection gets distracted, right? So nothing much to worry for now. It have broken up, so let it flow a little bit. You should be getting a good scalping on upper side before you comes down. Yep. So only below this level we will be planning for the short. Okay, that time also you will get one retest in this level. That time if it is coming for the downside you will get exited at your entry, so nothing much to worry. Okay guys, just hold it tight. All right, so gold don't react right now, but is because it is playing a bit, right? If it goes up and gets above this level you might like to go for the long on gold as well, but if it gets rejection then we will plan short with some wings in this level. All right, so whichever direction it flows just get ready. Okay, on both side, BD as well as on gold. All right. Nothing much to worry. Let me inform my people. Let's go. What the price is doing is now reacting on this levels. All right, now you got one resistance in this level, so the price got stuck a little bit, right? So you got one resistance in this level, so price got stuck. Otherwise it should have moved very quick on the upper zone. Maybe passing through this zone you'll see a quick move on upper side. Yep. Otherwise the price, if it gets rejection from these levels, then come down and fill up this trend, right, from the structure for the W, right? So in this level maybe, and go up, right? But I'll let you know, nothing much to worry. Okay, I'll let you know what's happening around, right? So right now it's still in the structure, still good for the long. Okay, so maybe the BTC will try to test this level. All right, on gold don't react now. Okay, anytime price will move up to get the one structure that is left. Okay, so what the structure I'm talking about is one wing like this, getting rejection, then we can go for a good, getting rejection from this level, then we might like to go for a good shots. All right, right now it's playing a little bit up and down. It will play a bit, nothing much to worry. Okay guys, disturbed by the hey tough. That is a level we have to test on. If it passed through, good one. All right, in fact overall we are on the bullish side only. Okay, not on the bear side. Okay, because for bear you need to retest again, come down, retest again, and form the structure for the bears, right? And you are above this average line, which means you are still bullish. Okay, so what the price can do is come down, fill up this level, and again move up, test this level one times, two times, got rejected again. Okay, so right now what we have to check is, we check this level right now. What is it? All right, got rejection again. Chori chori, chupuke chupuke, chori chori, chupuke chupuke. BTC is playing around a bit right now. Should get rejection again, get rejection again, get rejection again, and come down. If it have to come down, if it gets rejection, okay. If it gets passed through these levels, I think you will see a good scalping on a long side. All right, so nothing much to worry. I just got disconnected. Yep, my systems. All right, big bear. Now it is planning for the short or the trap for the short. All right, that can be a trap for the short or planning for a short. Goes like this. Then, okay, I think that is a big trap for the bull side. Big trap. Big trap for the bull side. Yep. Don't short yet. All right. Let it pass. Get one pull back or the retest zone. My system's all off. Not short yet. Okay, guys. Wait. Wait for the confirmation. Continue. Shouldn't be coming directly down. Yep, it is still. Just let me clear this off. Just miss this trade, okay, guys. Don't react in this trade, okay. You'll get squeezed again. You have a good chances of getting squeezed, though this have given you a big head and shoulder pattern in this gold formation, right? Anytime price will give a wink and move you out. I'm omitting this gold setup right now, okay, guys. I'm omitting this setup. I know there is a short setup, but I'm omitting this. Because of this pullback, you are moved out. It's okay. All right. But don't short yet. Yeah, I'm getting. Just wait, I need to go for a little bit, 5 minutes. All right, I'll come back. All right, and we'll plan setup. Don't short yet, okay guys, don't short this yet. Okay, I'll let you know. Your stop loss for this one is gone. There was a big pullback. Okay, just wait for now to give. If you want to short it, if there is a structure, I'll let you know. Okay, one setup is gone with a stop loss. One tip, one there was a small drop, and you got the profit on the gold. All right, for now, just 5 minutes. Okay, I'm coming back. Guys, hello, 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 hello. Hey guys, what are you doing, guys? I'm back. Okay, so there is frequent technical error in my zone, so I had to go. So sorry for that one. All right, let me analyze for you all now. Okay, one SL was gone, right? One SL was gone for the BT. Okay, so nothing much to worry. Just as a trader, so TP and SL are the way of making money. All right, in the trading field. All right, guys, don't get bored. I'm back. Okay, we'll make something else. Dragon, you holding still? Luckily, did you come to? Okay, I'm checking it right now. Hello, Narendra. Hello. Hi, 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 brothers. Hi. If you guys are watching me for the first time, just don't forget to hit a subscribe button. Market today is like wanting to liquidate shorts and longs. Yep, little bit. All right, because that was on like don't operate any setup right now. I'm back. Okay, I'm doing good. Narendra, I'm doing good. Zavat, luckily. All right, all the people, just don't short right now. Okay, don't short. Okay, just we will hold for a little bit and we'll check it out what's going on. All right, so yep, guys, so far so cool. It's okay. All right, it's okay, nothing much to worry. There is no worry at all. I'm back. You'll make some dollars. All right. Excuse me. So again, the market have came below this level. Okay, right now what the market did is it gave a quick breakout from this zone sideways box and went all the way to this resistance zone. That was a resistance from the previous resistance, right? This was a resistance from the early, right, previous resistance. All right, so three times it got rejection from this level, and market is still trying to push it once more on this level, maybe, right? So yep, this on 1 minute time frame, guys. Okay, so if we have to plan for the short, so still market is creating some support zone in this levels, right? You understand it, guys? Still the market is creating some support level in this zone. All right. It's playing in this zone. All right. Let it form structure and move up or down. Okay. So this structure, for this structure, still it is leaving some gap on the upper zone. Actually, what the market had to do is from this level go up and retest this level and come all the way down. That will be beautiful shot for us, right? But what market did is came down directly and fall below this average, which means if it gets rejection from this average once more, if it is not able to pass above this level, this level, then it will come all the way down towards the $66,497, right? But if it is able to pass through this one, in fact, you'll get a good scalping from this level to this level, right? And more if it is able to break above this one. All right, we have an expectation to break above, right? So whichever direction it flows, just be open, right, guys? Be open. All right. Let's see if it forms a structure for us in this level, right? So yep, over here, okay, I'm holding long from 65,709.50. 65,000. Okay, good. Then you're already from the down level, so nothing much to worry. Okay. All right, all right. Okay, you'll get it. Don't worry. Don't worry over there. All right. You are still at the support zone. All right. But if it happens to come down, maybe you will come towards $66,479. All right. If it breaks towards downside. Right now, it is, we just came out of this sideways box on the upper zone. I thought that was a long side. Again, it squeezed us, all right, from this box. You see this box, there was a little bit of sideways. We went up, okay, squeezed to those who are in the long side, okay, and came all the way down, okay. And there was a gap formation in this level, which the Bitcoin needs to clear it off, all right. That can be one scalping, okay, but I'm not taking from the bottom because it takes lots of time for me to. And one thing is, it have already broken down from this average, which is the price. 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3 push. So that is just a retest maybe for the Bitcoin to move up. Yep, let me clear this off so you guys can understand clearly. Yep, so this is the what it is trying to form. So that is a bearish move, bearish flag for you all, little bit of bearish flag. But if the Bitcoin happens to hold above this one, you still have a chance to move on the upper side, okay guys. So nothing much to worry. All right, nothing much to worry. Let me take off my jacket. All right, you'll get one scalping from here to that zone also. But if it happens, if it's not able to pass through this one, you might get squeezed 0.2 percentage only if it passed through above. Downside, if it gets rejection continuously, we can plan short it. That's so minor, but the structure formation is so small. Just wait, guys. Don't react right now. Just wait, okay? Just wait, wait, wait. Let it flow. Because you are at the critical point of Bitcoin's move, it has high chances that you get bashed off. So this can be one move for you all on upper side if it breaks through. If the Bitcoin is trying to create a sideways move, then it might drop down all the way, okay? But for the Bitcoin to come down, we need to wait for a little bit of confirmation so that we can go. If it was giving a small like retest in the zone, I would have shot it immediately and come all the way down. But it have came down directly, all right, down from this level, which is a little bit risky, okay? So I'm not reacting in this levels. Otherwise, I would have given you all the shots, all right, and come all the way down and break below, take advantage from the top, right? You're already from the top, so take advantage and go along with downside, right? So yep, guys, that can be one move. Those who are interested with a small fund, keep your stop loss below this green line and can go for the long. If there is no squeeze, then you might like to get one good scalping on the upper side, okay? And if it breaks through, then you might see this level and or this level soon, all right, on Bitcoin. Gold, what's happening with the gold? I asked you all not to react on the gold as well, because like we already got squeezed in this level, right? One good shot was given, right? And it tried to again try to squeeze you all. Let me delete this off, right? And it is forming like this, right? So most probably gold also plan to long from the average, and take all the way up. 1, 2, 3. If it breaks through this one, you'll get the confirmation. So that you won't get squeeze off, you try to buy a little bit upper side. Okay, so breaking above this green candle means already you are going on a bullish side, but you try to buy a little bit above side. Okay, so that you won't get squeezed with the move. All right, so passing through this level will give a confident move trade towards this zone. All right, on short, right now I cannot short it. Yep, short side I cannot go for a while right now. Okay, long going beautifully, guys. Those who have missed, those who have made losses from this TP, you can get back from this BT move. All right, so if it pass through this one, you will get a quick scalping on upper zone. Okay, guys, this is the thing. All right, so before it moves up, maybe if it tries to give you an opportunity and downside, let me check on that one as well. If it tries to come back like this, move up, you can long it from this zone as well, a little bit downside. Okay, if it tries to move, form a wing like this, then you can long from downside and take on the gold. All right, or else if it happens to go up and get rejection and come down, you can short it all the way. If there is a beautiful structure, okay, we will short it. If there is no formation of beautiful structure like this, if it moves up and down directly without getting rejection, if it comes down, then we might like to omit that one. All right, and take this position. And if it happens to form a structure like this exactly, all right, exactly what I wanted it, and if it have given a good rejection from this level, then you just short it and come short below this level, red block, and come all the way down. Okay, if it's able to pass through this one as well, then you might like to go a little bit downside, right? So yep, that's going to happen on a gold as well. All right, so that's going to be our setup for now. Okay, the previous one, because of the disturbance, I couldn't explain you all well. There are lots of disturbance going around on my zone for the technical power things, so it keeps me disturbing again and again, right? Yep, guys, let's see if it's able to clear this off, right? Well and good, right? Well and good. Blast. Okay, okay, those who are holding, you will get information from this level only. So what I'm doing, I'm explaining to you all. Okay, what I know, I am explaining to you all. We have a big rejection from this level. All right, from this level, if it happens to pass through this one, you will see a very quick move on upper side. So I'm taking advantage from the lower side only on this side. But if it gets rejection, it has chances to come all the way down also. All right, so for now, two advantage thing is why we are on long side is we are above the average line. First thing, we broke out with the W pattern from this level. Second thing, all right, third thing, we need to check this resistance. Okay, so that is why I'm giving this one. All right, so let's see how it will react. Okay, small profit. Market is giving both the long and short a small profit. Long, small profit, and small profit for the short. Small move, I mean. All right, so we need a big move. All right, we always need a big move. Okay, so it's exactly forming the structure that I want for now. All right, if it happens to pass through, well and good, you can long from this level. All right, so you get rejection from this level. All right, go up, pass through this level, you can long it and go take this one. If it gets rejection, come down, we short below this one and go to this level. All right, so two ways. All right, so always wait for the confirmation in the structure, complete structure for this one. All right, right now if it directly pass through, you can long and go all the way up. All right, so that's the thing on gold and BTC. Okay, you understand it, guys? So clear. clear for you all, right? If it gets rejection, then your short zones is going to come into this zone, so that we will be moving for the liquidation if the market wants to take the liquidations. Yep. Let's see if the Bitcoin is able to pass through this one or not. All right, guys. So just hold with a big heart, confident. Okay, patience. All right. Luckily, blast. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see. I was having lots of work over here. In fact, I'm trying my best to give you all the setups. All right. Again, the call. Come on. This is killing me. Okay, guys. So if you guys are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, so that you don't miss my live streaming. If there is no disturbance, you will get a good thing from me. All right. Sometimes I get technical disturbance again. I need to run here and there. All right, blast for the BT again. Okay, so nothing much to worry, right? So if it passed through now, you can go for the gold as well. Okay, and get this scalping. Okay, those for the gold, those who are going for the gold. All right. So BT, beautiful, those who have taken from this levels, right? So, yep, lovely. It's breaking out. Come on. We need a quick blast on BT. Come on. Come on. Come on, BT. Come on. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. No rejection, huh? It needs to move up. No rejection. Now you can move your SL to entry and let it flow, right? Now you are, even if you get rejection, no problem for you all, right? So you're at good spot right now, right, guys? So you are at the good spot. 0.3 percentage done on BT, right? So let's see what the BT does. It should be pumping, according to me, all the way up. But if it gets rejection, we cannot omit that one as well. We need to come down below this average to go for a good shots. This yellow line, my yellow line. So you go for the bearish side. Okay. Let's see. Blast it. It should be blasting it right at the edge. The short zone will come from this one only. Okay, guys. The short zone will come below this one, and if it happens to come below this one, you'll expect you can expect price to drop till over here. Okay, those who wanted to go for the shots, right? Because there is an average line which says you are still bullish. All right, if it comes below this one, if there is a structure formation, then you can go for good shots, right? So nothing much to worry. Okay, so trying to form this way. Got a huge rejection once more. Market doesn't want you all to get a beautiful big scalpings. Gold stuck over here, right? Gold got stuck for now. If it gets rejection, then gold you can short below this one because there is a formation of structures. You see gold coming below this one, you can short it till this levels, right? Because now it is like exactly going with our plan and structures. All right, you understand it, guys? Clear for you all. High bridge, high bridge. I'm just watching you right now. Okay, I was having high bridge, high bridge. How are you? All good? Market is not providing us good scalping today, with some it's moving up and down a little bit, but never mind. All right. Give a short setup from here, try to squeeze this one since the market is a little bit in sideways. Okay, guys, right now market is trying to create a sideways move, sideways, right? A little bit like this, so it's trying to remove long as well as luckily high, no mercy today. Yep, no mercy. Now I cannot go for the long. So since it is getting a multiple rejection from this level, passing above this level only can give you all a big long setup. Okay, then react accordingly. All right, otherwise it's not trying to give you all a setup. The market is not trying. I'm trying my best, okay, guys, but market is not trying. Okay. You might like to see this one, this move from the top if it happens to break up. You have a small profit again coming down, all right? So that is of 0.28 or 0.3 percentage. No mercy. Okay, now next move will be above this one only for the those people who wanted it. All right, if it passed through above this one, then short. If it gets continuous rejection once more, we will plan to short. Then yep, guys, yep. So sorry. Gold view, you want a gold view? Ravi, Ravi. Let's see if the Bitcoin is able to push above or not. Gold view, gold got rejection. Now you can plan short it from this levels. All right, if it happens to come below, then you can short it. Otherwise, Otherwise, if the market wants to take liquidation or try to pass pop this level, you just try to buy it and take a quick scalping session on upper side, right? 0.6 percentage, 0.6, right? 0.6 percentage on upper side. Now gold, you cannot go for a long if it gets good rejection. Why I'm trying to plan a short from this level is like, if you try to plan a shot from the top, your target is going to be till over here only. Okay, anytime price can jump out from this level and go up all the way and break it above. All right, so what I'm doing is giving you a short setup from the lower side. Okay, so if it continuously drops, well and good for you all. All right, try to plan your shot a little bit breaking below. All right, and you take it this profit, okay, on the downside. Okay, so keep your stop loss above this yellow line and plan your short setup if the market happens to come down. All right, if the market continuously push up and break above this one, you can go for the long. You'll get a scalping on the upper side. All right, right now you're just breaking the small trend that you have. Okay, it needs to give you a test. Maybe if there is a retest, you can plan from the upper side as well. All right, but you should make sure that you are coming below this yellow line. All right, this yellow line defines you whether you are going for the uh, short or long. All right, so even for the long side, your SL should be below this yellow line. All right, even for the short side, your SL should be above this yellow line. All right, so you make sure that your SL is not heated after you are entered, right? So right now you cannot short it, right? So let it pass through, okay? But if I get an opportunity from the top, I'll let you know. All right. So yep, so far so cool. Okay. On BT, it's stuck in this level once more. We can long from this level on BT. Again, if it gets rejection, come down, we'll short it. Okay, so that's going to be planned for today. Nothing much to worry. Let's take it in all right. Right now it's still the BT is still inside the sideways box. All right, sideways box still. What BT is doing is right now this sideways call view is given. This is inside this box. Okay, no setup yet, no setup, no setup, guys. All right, gold, let it go up, get rejection, come down, you shot it, right? So that will be beautiful on gold. Market trying to go for the sideways bit again. One, two, three. Just wait. Wait, wait, wait. One, two, three. Multiple rejection from this level. One, two, three, four times. Hey, Dragon BTC crazy. Yep. Yep, just a swap, liquidity swap. There is a liquidity swap. Testing this level once more. Yep, I think it's fulfilling that one. Maybe the BTC wants to come back, maybe. Right, trying to form. Crazy, 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 crazy. Try to long a little bit upper side so you guys don't get liquidated. If it pass through, then you can long over here, okay, guys. Those who have no positions, those who are holding, okay. It should be able to give a pump. I don't know why it's not giving you all. BT don't want to give you up profits. Today BTC doesn't give big profit. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Any new trade because I missed this trade. Yeah, you can go for the long once it is okay. That's if you have not entered, you wait for the price to move once more. Okay, you can open a long from here and go all the way towards upper zone. It's just tapping our entry point today. I don't know. There is this is the resistance that we have. They knew that we we are buying at the top. Now we short it below these levels. Yep, just trying to remove us. Again, those who have entered over here, they are removed. This just trying to remove everyone. If it happens to come below, we'll short it, okay. If it gives upper side, you can long again. Those whose SL is gone, okay. Because BT is not trying to give profit for the long side as well as short side in this zone, I feel. All right, let's see this one is getting filled or not. We'll try to short below this one, a little bit lower side. Let's short it. All right, guys, let's short and keep your stop loss in the zone. Okay, this will be last trade for us. All right, if it happens to squeeze us again, we'll just close it for today. Okay, let's try to short these levels. Okay. It's not trying to give us the profits, I guess. So let's try to sell this zone. Lots of up and down happening. Hope that's not going to liquidate us. Short it below this one. All right. Don't get squeezed. We're getting multiple of times squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. I'm trying to squeeze it. We're done for today, guys. I don't want to make you into run into losses if it gets our SL done. Multiple times we are trying to get out and in and out and in and out. Again, it's trying to remove. Damn, bro. Done for today, guys. I'm closing the setup, okay, if this SL is gone. All right. Maybe if it passed through, then it will go an upper zone, but I'm done for today because playing around a much. Okay, this is done. SL gone, guys. SL gone on the shot. SL gone, close it, go home and sleep it, guys. Sleep. I think it's going to give you a boom or get fake out again, and just try to remove it. Yep. I'm done. Okay, guys, I'm done. Click any perfect trade because BTC has wiped my half capital. You know this today the market is not providing you all the opportunities. Okay, guys, it is trying to break out and give you all a long swap towards the downside. Okay, if you really wants to take it, you take a little bit upper side. If it wants to give you, then it will give. Otherwise, okay, try to buy a little bit upper side and go all the way in. And I think it's going to, after all, if it's going to give you all a big setup. But I'm done. Okay, guys, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not trading. Okay, if you guys are making big losses, close for today, because like market is not providing you all opportunities. Again, there we got a short setup. Again, it's trying to squeeze you all on the gold as well. Gold, BT, both are squeezing it. Okay, in these levels. All right, you understand me, guys? Those who have short, you sell below this one, and I think you'll get this one. All right. And BT is planning to squeeze both the long and side long as well as short for today, I guess. Not very good. Not very good. All right. Not very good. Let's see. Anyways, we'll observe for a few minutes. All right. Then we'll close for today. Okay. Because it's not providing you all the opportunities. I'm trying to give you all the perfect setup, but it keeps, if it gave you a small big move on upper side and move all the way down to remove your SL. Okay, again it's trying, if it gave a setup for downside, it went all the way downside and came up all to remove. So coming out of this box, maybe you'll get a good sell scalping either from downside or upper side, I don't know. Or on the downside, you try to wait for price to break below this one, right? And might like to, okay, those who want to take, you can take above this one, might get a big scalping on upper side because it's trying to remove both short and long for today. All right, I'm done for today because I take minimum trade as possible. Again, squeezing on the shots. No profits today, guys. No profit. In fact, that was a learning session for us. Okay. No profits. Just close and just go home and just sleep, guys. I think. All right. No problem. Tomorrow is better day. Yep, Zibot, cause meeting is in Japan and they might sell American bonds. Might be. See over here again. It's trying to trap you again, guys. See correctly what's happening in this market. There's a total breakout on upper zones. You see above this resistance, and again the market is trying to trap you. See. So in those conditions, you cannot buy, you cannot sell. Okay, so you cannot make money. Just close the trade and just go home and sleep, guys. Just go home and sleep. I tried my best to give you all the best setup, but it's just trying to remove your things out, right? So which is not good at all. All right, maybe one direction you to move. So, but we'll come back tomorrow and check it out. What we get, right? There is a big breakout on upper zone. Again, it swapped all the way down and try to remove your sell, and again playing around a bit. Okay, maybe. Maybe because of that thing Japan and these things, you see how much, if it is on a good day you will get immediately profit for the short also. Broke down, take profits, go home, right? So just close it. Okay, guys, just close it, close all the trades, I guess. Close all the trade and go home and sleep. You'll get better days tomorrow. All right, nothing much to worry. Okay, I tried my best to give you all the setup. If it keeps us kicking out, right, which means it is going to swipe your account. Like someone said, BTC half of my his capital is gone. See, right? Anyways, we'll come back tomorrow and check it out what's going to happen. Okay, not very good day to make money. If they sell bonds to save yen, it will go lower, much lower. Might be right, about might be. There's no good opportunities. Market just try to make, excuse me, up and down. Finally it's moving, breaking out again. Breaking out, we'll observe it. See, it had to come over the upper side only, but breaking out a lot. It should be very big pump if it's not a fake out. Gold got squeezed again. See, again, so many things are happening. So just don't trade, okay, guys. If you want, protect your capital. Store, forget about the money. If you get don't, if you the setup, if the market is not good, you cannot make money, good money. So these levels, if the gold gives up total breakouts, right? If there is no fake out, it should be giving you 100% giving you this profits. But if there is fake out, again there will be swiping it, taking your SL down, and you make keep losing the money. So don't trade in such conditions. See, even in the BT, it have to give you a big pump after the breakouts, right? Usually we have a big pump after the breakouts. See over here, after breakout also is playing a much in this levels, which means something is wrong. And the candles you see over here, candles, what kind of candles you got it, right? Very dangerous. Swap the upper zone, swap the lower zone, swap it again. The candles are so bad. Yep, guys. Yeah, Zawad. See you all tomorrow, right? See you all tomorrow. Anyways, have a good rest, guys. Don't stress it. Don't go to get the money that you have lost. It will cover it within one trade tomorrow when the market is good. Right now, you cannot make money. It's very hard. Even if there is a pump till this level, I don't think it's going to go directly up. It will just play around, give you all fear, try to trade for the short zone, try to go for the long. Okay, I tried my best to give you all a setup. I don't know. Yep, what to do. All right, so we have to react accordingly. All right, according to the market. Where is my things? Let's see what happens in this zone. Keep quiet. Lots of calls, guys, today. Lots of people are losing money, I guess, today. They never listens to me, and when they get losses, they call me a lot how to get out of that trade, and I don't know. We don't want to take it, and it's pumping all the way up. Right. So, anyways, that was a good. We were looking for the opportunities on the long only. Anyways, market tries to squeeze us so badly, right, guys? So badly. That was too bad. Be careful, guys. Anytime the price will come down and swipe you out. Right. People never listens what I say, and they make losses. They make me lots of call, and they says how to get out of that setup, how to get cut off that losses, and I try my best to help it out, but wrong timing. What to do, guys? I'm over here with the no good market. See, total breakout again giving a lower side, just means no good. Yep. See, I told you all, the market is not giving you all the opportunities. If it is in a good day, you'll see a good scalping and upper zone. Over here also don't try to trade, guys. Anyways, like Trump. Maybe, maybe. Anyways, guys, we'll see you tomorrow, okay? Don't trade, guys, today. You won't be able to make money. Don't think that you'll try to catch a big moves, all right? that will let you all to drown all your money, and you get nothing from the trade. All right, you'll get nothing from that trade. It will just, it's just trying to play it around one direction. It will move and swipe you out, right? So just be careful, guys. All right. Moving a good, going for a good move again. Don't hope, guys. I think I'm not hoping in this. It keeps well and good, but no entries. See you all tomorrow, guys. Let it flow. I'm not taking in any trades for now. Have a good time, guys. Bye bye. Where are my things?